Hey traders, this is Taylor with Top Pick Trading. A little late to the chart today. I wanted to see if we could get a setup right here as a second entry long, and we do. This setup bar is rather large, so this is a little aggressive. There we go. We're in this trade, by the way. We're going to go for 8 ticks. This trade is a little aggressive because that setup bar to signal bar ratio is right at a 2, which is really the maximum I'm willing to consider. But you can see how strong this EMA has been, and we're in a clear uptrend. This is also like a breakout pullback, testing this tight range here. Bounced right at the EMA. So you can see clearly we got a couple things going for us. But just that setup bar is a little large compared to the signal bar, so this is aggressive still. Given some different contexts than this situation, I probably would not take this trade. But we're in a clear, strong, bullish bias here. And you can see it is turning a little bit, and that's probably due to some leftover momentum on that setup bar. But I still think there's a good chance we get the scalp here, since this is 2 nice little legs down and clearly bouncing at that resistance. This also confirms this little entry point here that I just drew. Confirms the trend line of it, sorry. So let's see here. Our entry bar did close a little bit bearish, but still stayed above the EMA, so I'm going to hold this. And you can see with that 8 tick target, we're going to get out right before the highs if we're able to scalp out here. Getting really close. I really liked how one of the main things on this one is, I've already mentioned it, but to specifically point it out, is how we really tested that rather strong micro range there, the resistance of it, and now it bounced clearly as support there. And there we go, we did get the scalp. Move my runner to break even. See if we can get a nice runner here. You can see now we really can't reach the top of the bigger channel, so we may be losing some steam, but for now the EMA is still holding, so just consider that as well though. And another thing to consider is this was actually right at a 1-to-1 risk, so given that the signal bar was small, it shows that there's less momentum, but it's a two-edged sword because it's also a smaller risk. Yeah, we're finding a little resistance right at that high. Yeah, it looks like it may come back and get us, but I'm happy with the scalp on this one. So let's see. Clearly an uptrend here, though. I mean, and they do get us there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the second entry long. Have a good one.